Alright, so in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Nokia 105, and these instructions can also be used to reset other Nokia phones. Now we're going to perform a soft factory reset through the interface. So press the middle button to go into the menu, and then scroll down and go all the way down until you get to settings, and then press the middle button again to select that, and then scroll down at the bottom of this button, scroll down all the way to the bottom until you get to restore factory settings. Select that and then enter the security code. This is the security code you normally use to secure your phone. Now if you've never set up the security code, then you can always use the default security code, which is 12345, and then press OK, and it takes a short time, and you can see my settings have been restored back to the factory settings. And that's basically how to do it. Now I'll also show you how to do this using a secret code. Now the secret code here is *#7780#. So as soon as I press hash, it's going to bring up the restore menu. So *#7780 then hash, and you can see it asks me if I want to restore factory settings. Tap on continue, which is that middle button, enter the security code, and then press OK, and that should restore or reset your phone back to the factory settings. And that's basically two ways of factory resetting your Nokia 105. Thanks for watching and good luck.